Hi guys, and welcome to the Pollock Village. Again, today I'm going to be reviewing a different microphone from Fifine. This time is the Fifine AmpliTank Tank 3 podcast microphone. This microphone is supposed to be unique because it's XLR and USB. But enough talking, let's unbox and let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, let's see what's in the box. We have a manual, and then we have the Fifine microphone itself. We have an XLR cable. We also have a USB to USB-C cable. I guess that's everything. Alrighty, next let's have a look at some of the specs and the features of this microphone. The Fifine AmpliTank Tank 3 is a dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. It has an XLR and USB-C connection. It has a beat depth of 16 beat and a sample rate of 44.1 to 48 kilohertz. It has a frequency response of 50 hertz to 16 kilohertz, a maximum SPL of 120 dB, and a signal-to-noise ratio of 95 dB. Alrighty, this is what the AmpliTank Tank 3 actually sounds like. To be honest, I'm impressed. I like the way it sounds. It's clean. I mean, it doesn't have the weight of the pod mic, but it's relatively louder than the pod mic by almost about 5 decibels, and that's impressive, especially for people who don't really have this kind of studio setup. I mean, I have right now I'm using this with a Focusrite preamp, so I mean it's really going through tons of stuff, but just raw the way it sounds. And this is the XLR input, by the way. I always think that the XLR input is usually better than the USB input, but I think what we're going to do next is let's try recording. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to record it into my system. I'm going to record it into my phone directly. Yes, I know it says it comes with a USB-C cable to type A, but I want to record it directly to my mobile phone. And I want to see just how, well, not see, literally. I want to hear the difference in audio. So let's do a swap. Let's use a USB-C. And by the way, if you notice, all these controls, they're useless right now because I'm using the XLR input. But once I start using the USB-C input, I'll have access to the mute button as well as the controls here. Okay, let's get that done. Let's do that now. Okay, so right now everything you're hearing is coming directly from the USB-C point. Now what I've done is I've connected to my mobile phone directly using the Shure Plus Motive app. I really love this application because as long as you have an external microphone, it can record. So, and it records 16-bit all the way to 24, but it doesn't do 32, but it records 48 kilohertz. So everything I'm saying right now is going directly into my phone. I'm recording, and I must say that I am impressed by the sound. I mean, to be honest, I actually thought the sound was going to be a bit more like less quality, but I am surprised. I'm recording at 16-bit 48 kilohertz, and I like what I hear. So, I mean, basically what this means is you can use this microphone and record directly into your mobile phone. You don't necessarily, need a big gear. So, I mean, one other feature I love about this is the fact that it has a mute button in front. So, see this green? It didn't come on when I was using the XLR, but it comes on when you're using the USB-C. So, if I click on this, it's going to mute the microphone. On, see, now you can hear me. And then it has 2 controls here. The one on top is the one that defines the amount of gain. That's the amount of volume. While the second one defines how much of myself I get to hear. And that's basically everything about using this microphone with your mobile phone. So you can use this with your laptop or your phone. It depends on how you want to use it. And that's it. Yep. Alrighty, and that's basically everything about the Fifine AmpliTank Tank 3. Now, in terms of pricing, right now, as at today, the Tank 3 goes for $80 on the website of Fifine. For some weird reason, I couldn't find it on Amazon. I don't know, maybe they haven't supplied Amazon yet, but it's basically $80. But if you're living in Nigeria, you want to lay your hands on this, it goes for 140,000 naira. You can actually get it at Camera Joint. Yep. And I think basically that's everything about this beautiful microphone. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Please like the video, share, subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. And I'm going to see you guys on the next review. Ciao.